guys, Matco Toby here with another video for you this week. Today I'm going to highlight another thing that was showcased at our Tool Expo here that was back in April, and that is this innovation in bearing packing. I know this is something that not everybody's really needing to be involved with, but I still service enough shops that guys are rebuilding trailers and doing bearing packing periodically, and there really hasn't been any update to the old style kind of press bearing packer all-in-one kit that's been around forever. And I think this is a welcome change because of the design. So I'm going to break this thing down here for you. You see right on the top here that there's a threaded rod that's got a big old T-handle on it here. So I go ahead and unthread this rod all the way, and that's going to pull this off and show you your grease zerk. So of course you take your grease gun, pump that whole thing full of grease down there, and then you're going to set your bearing inside, thread this on, and now instead of having to force, which a lot of times with some of those bearings, it would take a ton of force. I know a lot of guys were setting them on the ground, trying to step on them and stomp on them to try to get that grease down and soak through that bearing. But this is using kind of that mechanical leverage where you're just spinning it down, and once you get the tension on it, you give it a couple cranks, and it's just going to use, again, that mechanical leverage to force that whole puck down and get all of that grease down through that bearing. So really cool design, much cleaner, I think, than the other style. Feels much better built than the other style as well. So I just thought it was a cool, unique, different item. Any of you guys that are still doing quite a bit of bearing packing, I think it's worth talking to your Matco distributor about this one, because it's going to be, like I said, a lot nicer product than what we've had previously. So that's what I got for you today. Nice, simple one, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.